Supplemental Security Income, SSI, is a federal cash benefit for people 65 or older OR with a qualifying disability who have very limited income and assets. In 2026, the maximum federal benefit is $967 a month for an individual and $1,450 for a couple. Here is who qualifies, the income and asset rules, and how to apply step by step. 3 categories of people qualify for SSI. 1. Aged 65 or older with limited income and assets, regardless of work history. 2. Blind, defined by the SSA as 20/200 vision or worse in your better eye even with correction. 3. Disabled, meaning a medical condition that prevents substantial work for at least 12 months or is expected to result in death. You can qualify on more than one basis, for example, aged and disabled. The 2026 federal benefit rate is $967 per month for an individual and $1,450 for a couple where both qualify. That is the maximum. Most recipients get less because their countable income reduces the benefit dollar for dollar above a small exclusion. Many states add a supplement on top of the federal amount. California, New York, New Jersey, and Massachusetts add $100 to $200 more. Income rules. SSA splits your income into countable and non-countable. First $20 of any income is excluded. First $65 of earned income is excluded, plus half of earned income above that. Social Security retirement benefits, pensions, and unemployment all count as unearned income. They reduce SSI dollar for dollar above the $20 general exclusion. Food and shelter received from others can also count as in-kind income. The asset limit is the biggest barrier. Maximum $2,000 in resources for an individual, $3,000 for a couple. Resources mean cash, bank accounts, stocks, bonds, second vehicles, second properties. Exempt, the home you live in, one vehicle regardless of value, household goods, burial plot, life insurance with face value under $1,500. Exceed the limit by even $1 at the wrong moment of the month and your SSI stops that month. Application is 4 steps. Step 1. Gather documents, birth certificate, social security card, proof of citizenship, current bank statements, lease or mortgage, medical records if claiming disability. Step 2. Start the application online at SSA.gov/benefits/SSI or call 1-800-772-1213 to schedule a phone or in-person interview. Step 3. SSA interviews you, usually within 1 to 2 weeks. Step 4. SSA makes a decision in 3 to 6 months for new claims, faster for terminal conditions. If your application is denied, and roughly 2/3 of SSI disability claims are denied initially, you have 60 days to file a request for reconsideration. If reconsideration also denies, you can request a hearing with an administrative law judge. Most successful SSI disability claims actually win at the hearing level. Don't give up after the first denial. Get the medical records SSA needs. Recap. SSI is for aged 65 plus, blind, or disabled people with very limited income and assets. 2026 federal max is $967 individual, $1,450 couple. Income above $20 unearned or $65 earned reduces benefit. Asset limit is $2,000 individual, $3,000 couple. Apply at SSA.gov or 1-800-772-1213. Decision in 3 to 6 months. Appeal denials within 60 days.